Hi, and welcome to my studio. You can call me Reg. This is my latest painting. Let's spend a moment with it together. I hope that, as I talk you through the process, you'll find something useful for your own work. Maybe even something that sparks an idea. Most of the colors in this piece are quite subdued. I wanted the scene to feel calm, almost quiet. Well, there's a sense of hope in it too. The last rays of sunlight are still clinging to those pine trees, just for a few more seconds before evening settles in. For that glow, I've used oranges and a few yellows, and yes, even lemon yellow straight from the tube, so it gives the light a vibrating intensity. The real secret, though, isn't just the light itself, it's what surrounds it. To make light stand out, you need shadows that support it. The colors you choose for the shadows are just as important as the colors that you choose for the highlights. Light only feels bright because of what you put around it. There are three main ways I approach shadow mixing. First, I kind of dirty the color a little bit, meaning I mix in a small amount of the complementary color that will knock the intensity down. Second, I darken the colors by adding deeper pigment instead of just using black. Like for example, I'll mix all three primary colors, blue, red, and yellow. I'll mix them together to make a beautiful, rich dark that will still feel alive. And third, I think about temperature and complements. Since my light is warm, mostly oranges and yellows, the complementary color naturally leans toward purple. So most of my shadow mixture have some variation of violet in them. Sometimes more red-violet, sometimes more blue-violet, depending on the form and the direction of the light. Even the yellow leaves that fall into the shadow are toned down, way down. I reduce their saturation so they won't fight with the main glow. They should whisper instead of shout. When you start a painting, it really helps to decide early on what the main moment, the heart of the scene, will be. Everything else should quietly guide the viewer toward it. Honestly, it's not just a good painting of advice. It's a bit of a life lesson too. Keep your focus on what matters and let the rest support it. Thanks for spending this time with me. See you next time.